Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make lime candy step by step. Start by collecting ingredients: 2 cups sugar, 1 cup fresh lime juice, 1/2 cup water, and optional citric acid. Wash limes and measure carefully, squeezing until you have the required juice. Prepare a baking sheet lined with parchment and keep a candy thermometer handy. Clean utensils make the process smoother and safer for boiling sugar to the correct stage. Heat the sugar and water gently until fully dissolved, then bring to a rolling boil and avoid stirring to prevent crystallization. Watch the candy thermometer closely and stop heating at 300 degrees F for hard crack stage. Remove the pan from heat and immediately stir in 1 cup fresh lime juice and any flavoring or citric acid, mixing smoothly but quickly so the temperature drops evenly before pouring onto a prepared sheet to set. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: I keep a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth nearby, a book that can truly change how you think about money and how you budget for hobbies like candy making. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want it. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Pour the lime candy mixture onto the prepared parchment and spread to an even thickness using an oiled spatula while still hot. Let it cool until the surface feels tacky, and you can score or cut it without shattering, using a knife or pizza cutter for clean edges. After cutting, allow pieces to cool completely at room temperature, then dust lightly with powdered sugar to prevent sticking and store in an airtight container for freshness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.